Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon you. Today we will start solving Igcse exam, paper 2, February, March 2023. In this video, we'll solve the document task. Next video, you can find the link in description. You have been supplied with the following source files. We have some source files here. Task 1, evidence document. Open the file M23 evidence.rtf. Make sure your name, center number, and count number will appear on every page of this document. Okay, go to our work area. Open the evidence file. Insert, header, three columns. Write your name, center number, and count number. Okay. Save the evidence document in your work area as M23 evidence followed by your count number. Okay. File, save as a Word document. This is important, followed by your count number, and save. Okay. You will need to place screenshots in this document of the evidence you are instructed to produce. Task 2, document task. You are going to produce a report for Tawara Education about STEAM subjects. The company uses the corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. The body text style has already been applied to all the document. You must not amend this style. You cannot amend this style, which is the body text style. Okay. Using a suitable software, open the file M23 steam.rtf. The page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation with 2 centimeters margin. Don't make any changes to these settings. Save this document in your work area with the file name STEM News. Okay, then we go to our work area, open the STEM file. File, save as in my work area as a document file with name STEM News. Be saved. Make sure it is saved in the format of the software you are using. Place in your evidence a screenshot to show the file has been saved. Make sure the evidence file type have evidence of the file type. Okay, we'll go to file, save as, or we can go to our work area. This is my work area. This is STEM News. Just narrow this and apply the file type, which is Microsoft Word. Then take a screenshot. Open your snapping tool. Take a screenshot showing this file type. Copy and go to your evidence. For evidence 1, paste it as a just Control V. Make it behind to make it easier to move in our file. Back to exam. Place in the footer of STEM News document, automated page number left aligned, your name, center number, count number right aligned. Make sure that all the alignments match the page margin. No other text is included in the footer area. The footer is displayed in all pages. Okay, we'll go to open the footer part and assign an automated page number left align and my username password as instructed. Okay, go to insert footer. We'll select 3 columns. In the left align, we'll insert page number, this page number in the current position, and in the right margin, write your name, center number, and count number, and remove, delete any other word in the footer. Make sure that this is will appear in every page, something like this. Okay. Number 3, create and store following styles based each of the on the default or normal paragraph style. This is important. The first style st subhead. Okay, go to my document, open styles, style organization, make a new style, name it as st subhead, make it in normal. This is important to put it in normal. Okay, the font is sans serif, which is Arial 14 center. Sans serif Arial 14 and center. Okay, all capitals and bold. Make it bold and open format, file, all caps. Okay. The line spacing is single and there's a 0 before points and 9 after. Okay. Open format, paragraph, line spacing single, and after it will be 9 and 0 before. Okay. And that's it. Okay. This is the subhead. The other style is st table. Create a new style with name st table. Make it as normal, based on normal. Okay. The font is serifs, which is Times New Roman. Okay. 11 and align left. 11 and align left. Italic single 00. So italic format paragraph single 0 and 0. Okay. Okay. The last style st bullet. Create new style as st dash bullet. Get normal. Okay. Serif, which is Times New Roman, 11 left, Times New Roman, 11, and this align is left. Square shape bullets align to the left margin. Okay. Here we can go to format, numbering, bullets. We can select square. Okay. But we need to go to the paragraph and make it left align. This before text, this will be 0. We don't need any indentation in the left margin. Okay. Single 00. Okay, format, paragraph, the line spacing will be single and there is after and before will be 0. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay, this is a title. Okay. Take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings of the ST subhead style. Make sure there is evidence that you have based on the default or normal paragraph style. Place this in your evidence. We'll go to the subhead as we did and find modify. Make sure that is normal. Take a screenshot for this. We'll go to the snipping tool, new. Take a screenshot for this style. Copy and go to your evidence. Okay, go to your evidence. In the evidence 2, for step 3, just paste it. Control V, make it behind, and let's make it easier to control. Okay. Save. Back to exam. Question 4, display the style names created in step 3, which is these 3 styles as a list in the style manager or organizer. Take screenshot evidence to show that you have created, named, and saved these styles. Place this in your evidence. Okay, we'll go to our style organizer and take a screenshot for these styles. Take a copy and go to your evidence in step 4 and just paste it. Control V. Okay. Save. Back to exam. Step 5, the style ST title has already been created and stored. Modify the ST title. Here we need to make sure that this style will only have these settings. So only the following formatting is applied. ST title, sans serif, which is Arial, 36. Okay, we'll go to our ST title and modify. We want the font sans serif, which is Arial. So I'll change this to Arial, and the font 36 is the size. Okay. Center, bold, underline. Okay, I'll make it centered, bold. There is and underline. I'll remove this italic. And here when we read this, font 36, bold, underline, all caps. He didn't mention that we need this all caps. So we'll go to format, font, and we remove this all caps selection. Okay. Single and 00. Okay, go to the format, paragraph, line spacing is single. Before 0 and after have to be 02. Okay. And that's it. Okay. Apply this style to the title text Tawara School STEM development. Place in your evidence a screenshot of the style settings for the ST title style to show the changes you have made. Okay, I'll select this and I'll select ST title. This is the title. I'll open this in the modify by using modify. Take a screenshot for these changes and copy and go to your evidence and just paste it. Control V. Just make it readable. save, back to exam. Okay. Below the title, add a subtitle, Innovations in Science Education. Okay, below the title, okay, we can include this style. Below the title, insert this innovation in science education. Okay, innovation in science education. The style ST subtitle has already been created and stored. Apply this style to the text you entered in step 6. Okay, ST subtitle, I'll select this. And from the style, I'll select subtitle. Okay. Apply the ST bullet style to the text from working in team up to developing own solution. This is the this is the bullet. Working in team, this is in teams up to developing own solution. I'll select and choose bullets, which we are just created, bulleted. Okay. Number 9, identify the 7 subheadings in the document and apply the ST subhead style to each one. 7 subheadings. Okay, we'll go to select 7 subheading. I select the first one and then press Control. This is the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7. Then apply which style? ST subhead. Okay. ST subhead for this subhead. Okay. Back to exam. Change the page layout so that the subheading why is a STEAM approach to learn important, and the following text to display in 2 columns of equal width with 1 centimeter space between them. Okay, I'll select from why is a STEAM approach. Why is the STEAM approach selected from here up to the end of the file, and go to layout, columns, more columns. I select 2 columns and the line spacing will be 1 centimeter. Okay. Okay, that's it. Back to exam. Locate the table and insert a new row above chemistry. Enter the following data into this row: biology 50 and 40. Okay, I'll locate the table. This is the table. Above the chemistry, this is the chemistry. I'll right click, insert above, and I'll write biology 50 and 40. Okay, save. Merge the cells and center align the text in the first row of the table. I'll select these 3 cells, home, or can right click, just merge and make it center aligned. Okay, merged and center. Apply the ST table style to rows from 2 to 9 in this table. Make sure that no data is wrapped within the table. All grid lines are displayed when printed. All borders and data fit within the column width. There is a 6-point space after the table, so we'll put this 6 point as a before the paragraph below the table. Okay, go to the table. I'll select from 2 to 9 and go to style, and I'll put this table, ST table. Okay, there's no wrap. I'll go to the paragraph after this style and go to paragraph style and make it set 6 before. This will be below the table. Okay. 14, import the image M23 scientist JPEG and place in the paragraph beginning with the gender disparity. Okay, go to the with the gender disparity. Okay. Okay, I'll just Control F. Well, the gender. This is the paragraph. Okay, I'll select this. Okay, close this. Here we'll insert picture. Go to our work area. Scientist. Okay. Reflect the image so that the laboratory flask is on the right. Okay, I'll go to rotate, flip horizontally. This is the flask on the right. Okay. Format the image so that it is resized to height 2 centimeters with the aspect ratio maintained. We can just select here from size. We can just decrease the number, or we can select size and height and look aspect ratio and write this as a 2 centimeter. This will change the width. Okay. It is aligned to the left column margin and top of the paragraph, starting with the gender disparity. Text to wrap around the image, so we'll put it as a square. Okay. Okay. And that's it. Spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the table and list are not split into 2 columns or page. Columns are lined at top. There is no widow or orphans. There is no blank pages. Styles are applied consistently. Spacing is consistent between the items. Okay. Let us just review. Proofreading, spelling, grammar. Okay. Just there is. I believe that there is no errors in the words. This is just a passive voice or something like this, but we have no mistakes in the word spellings. Just asking for hard or for capital letters or something like this, which we need to ignore and don't change. Okay, all of this is a passive voice. Okay, but let's adjust our file, our document. Okay, here you can put this subhead. Here you just press enter, another enter. This will become on the next page, and so for this subhead, enter will come to the next column, and that's it. Save, back to exam. Save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1. Print the document. Okay, we'll go to the file, print. In your exam, we'll print to the printer, but here I'll print is as a PDF just to review our works. Save and put it in our work area. I'll name it as just 1. Save. Now we go to our work area and open this one. And this will be our file. Okay, all my data and page number are appeared. File is good. Okay, back to exam. This is the end of the part of document. Next video will solve the database. You can find link in description. Thanks for watching. See you next video.